In this video, I will show you step by step how to make 6 felt pet animal masks for kids with a cat, a dog, a parrot, a fish, a rabbit and a hamster. They are very easy to make because we only need felt and hot glue. In the file you will also find the same masks to color yourself and ready-made colorful masks that you just need to cut out and you are ready to go to the party. You will find the patterns in the video description, so let's get started. We will need stiff felt, scissors, vanishing markers, hot glue and black marker. Prepare patterns with the title cat mask and cut them out. In the head pattern, cut also the inner shapes. Place patterns on right color of felt. Outline outer and inner edges with vanishing marker, then cut them out along the drawn lines. To make complicated elements, especially from dark felt, you can use interfacing fabric with glue. How to make it step by step I showed in another video. The link is at the top of the screen. Place all the elements here according to the picture of the coloring mask and glue each one with hot glue. In the next step, draw the cat's whiskers and a smile using vanishing marker. If it doesn't turn out the way you want, you can easily wash off the drawn shape with water and draw it again. Now you can draw again along the trace you have drawn using the black marker. Now please take patterns titled Dog Mask Part 1 and 2 and create felt elements based on them, in the same way as before. Place ears on head about 4 mm from the upper edge and glue it with hot glue. Next, turn the head over and glue ends of the ears on the sides. You can attach it with clips. In the next step, place the rest of the elements on head according to this picture and glue each one with hot glue. Finally, draw a smile and dots with black pen. Now we will make a parrot mask, so please prepare these patterns and create felt elements based on them. Place these elements on head according to this picture and glue each one with a hot glue. First, take yellow elements, arrange them in this way and glue just like me. Next, take blue elements, place them in this way and glue. The last will be orange and pink elements. At the end, draw a smile. Prepare patterns with the title Fish Mask and create felt elements. Place these elements on head according to this picture and glue each one with hot glue. In the next step, take blue elements and draw lines on them with black pen. Finally, glue prepared elements on top and on the sides of the head on its left side. Now please take patterns titled Rabbit Mask Part 1 and 2 and create felt elements based on them. Take this 2 ears element, place pink one in the middle and glue it. In the next step, prepare also head element. Next, apply hot glue from here to this place. Then turn the ears over. Place it on head about 4 mm from the upper edge and glue the rest parts. Place rest elements on head according to this picture and glue each one with hot glue. At the end, draw a smile with a black marker. The last will be the hamster mask. Take these patterns and make felt elements based on them. Place elements on head according to this picture and glue them. At the end, draw a smile and hamster whiskers. Finally, turn all mask over, prepare head patterns, and make holes in the places of dots. You can make it with a hole punch or use a simple needle. Then place patterns on masks so that they overlap and draw dots in the places of holes. The drawn dots are the places where the clasp should be attached so that the masks stick to the head. I have prepared 4 different fasteners that you can use to finish your masks. I described them in another video. The link to it has just appeared at the top of the screen. Just click. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this project. I will be very grateful for your likes or comments. See you in the next video. Bye bye!